Hello and welcome back, girls, to your English language class. Today, you're going to understand pronouns. Do you all know what are pronouns? A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. For example, it, she, he, I, you, etc. And today you're going to understand the different kinds of pronouns. There are many types of pronouns, but according to your syllabus, you will be learning only 6 types. Okay, children? They are personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and possessive pronoun. Today, we'll be doing the first 3 types of pronouns because if you learn and understand all the 6 together, you will get confused. Okay? That's why we'll do the first 3 today. So they are personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. Now let's understand each pronoun in detail. First, personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used instead of names of people, animals, or things. For example, Roma is a student of class 5. Roma is a good girl. Roma completes Roma's homework. This paragraph sounds awkward, isn't it? Because Roma is being repeated many times. But if we modify this paragraph and say it in this way, Roma is a student of class 5. She is a good girl. She completes her homework. Then this sentence will sound correct, isn't it? Because we will not be repeating Roma again and again, and in place of Roma we'll be using pronouns. Okay? Let's see another example. I bought a book. The book is lying on the table. The book is purple in color. If we replace the book with a pronoun, it will sound this way. I bought a book. It is lying on the table. It is purple in color. So what did we do? We added it in place of book so that we do not repeat book again and again. There are 3 forms of personal pronouns. First person, second person, and third person. We'll understand each form of personal pronoun again in detail. Okay? First person. First person is the person speaking. For example, I am playing. So who's the one speaking here? Yes, it's I. So, I here is the person speaking. Means I is the first person. Okay? Singular first person pronouns are I, me, mine. Remember, to replace singular pronouns, we add singular first person pronouns, that is I, me, mine. Now, plural first person pronouns. Plural first person pronouns are we, us, ours. Second person. Second person is the person spoken to. That means the person who we are talking. Second person pronouns are very simple. They are just two of them. That is you and yours. And do you all know? The best part is they can be used for both singular and plural. So you just have to learn two pronouns for second person. Now let's understand the first person and second person through an example. Let us just imagine this is me and this is you. And we both are talking about this girl who is standing far away from us. I am speaking to you. So who is speaking first? Yes, I. So I am the first person. And who am I talking to? I am talking to you. So you are the second person. And we both are talking about whom? Yes, we both are talking about this girl who is standing far away. Can you see her? So she is the third person. So did you all understand, girls? Remember, the first person is the person who is speaking. The second person is the person who is listening. And the third person is the person about whom we are talking. Okay? Now, third person. The third person is the person spoken of. That means about whom we are talking. Third person pronouns are he, she, him, her, hers, his, it. If the third singular person is a male, we will replace that person's name with he, him, his. In case of singular third person female, we will use she, her, hers. And what if we are talking about an animal or a thing that is singular? We will use it. Okay? If we are talking about a singular, means a single animal or a thing, we will use it. But if we are talking about more than one person, that is plural third person, we will add or replace the nouns with they, theirs, its, them. Okay? Now the next pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are used for pointing out the object or objects to which they refer. For example, this, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns that are used to point out specific persons or things. Okay? This and that is used for singular nouns. For example, this is a cat. That is a book. These and those are used for plural nouns. For example, these are ducks. Those are crows. Now the next, that is the third type of pronoun, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns always ask questions about the noun. Who, whose, which, what. For example, who is that boy? Whose is this book? Which is your seat? What is his intention? So here girls, we complete our 3 types of pronoun. Now let's revise once. Personal pronouns are used instead of names of people, animals or things. There are 3 forms of personal pronouns. First person, second person and third person. Demonstrative pronouns are used for pointing out the object or objects to which they refer. Okay? Means to point out specific persons or things. Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. Interrogative pronouns always speaks or always ask questions about the noun. Who, whose, which, what. So watch this video carefully and solve the exercises that I'll be posting later. Okay? Thank you.